I'd like to sing a song for you now called Cave Hill Side, written by Jane Cassidy from Northern Ireland. And I first sang this song in the early 90s with the band Upstairs in a Tent. And we recorded it on an album, a cassette album called Upstairs in Capers Restaurant. No, Upstairs in a Tent in Capers Restaurant, that's it. And I got in touch with Jane this week and asked her if she'd send me the lyrics again, which she kindly did. So I'll give it a go. I haven't sung the song for a few decades, but see how I get on. Cave Hillside. Oh, Ireland, you have woven myths around your children's heartache, and I, to ease my bitter grief, will sing a song of parting. I'll take my leave of your rain-veiled hills, your pastel towns at morning, and bid goodbye to Cave Hillside, though my heart may break with longing. Now the hillsides are aflame with gorse, the hawthorn wears its wedding lace, the winds grow mild with scent of grass, the primrose lifts its gentle face, the budding trees in the city streets dapple the red brick walls. But when summer comes, I won't be here to see their blossoms fall. And as my ship sails out Belfast Lough, the headlands give their last embrace. The Belfast hills grow misty blue, the Cave Hill hides its rocky face, and as the coastline swings away, its beloved contours blend to grey. I taste the salt of sudden tears as memories peel away